We're here in the Polar Ocean. Sa malamig tayong area. Going to enter the Polar Ocean. Look at this. Ito na, pasok na tayo. Ang daming tao. Wow. Nice. Abu Dhabi Ocean. Antarctica. We're going to Antarctica. Arctic. To the Arctic, guys. Sa Walrus. Mga Arctic animals. Here's are the Arctic animals. It's like a bird. But they're swimming. They're feeding now, oh. Papakan si ate. Ah. They're feeding now. May chick po ako dito. Pato to eh. Let's go. Ito sila. Ito na, makita natin yung polar bear. We're gonna see the polar bear. Ah, there's a baby, oh. What is that? No, it's a fox or what? Ah, this is a... Look, oh. What is this animal? Ah, it's a fox. I think so. Wow. Ganda, oh. Dati hindi ko nakita yan.
Wala pa.
So, we're entering, guys. Ating area. Ito na, ang ganda, oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Pagpasok nyo pa lang. Yan, makikita nyo. Dati gabi na pumunta kami dito, hindi makita. Ayun siya, oh. Makita mo sa ilalim ng ano, be. Eto, dito, underwater. You can see it from underwater. Ah, look, oh. Ayun siya, oh. Swimming around. Ah. Where is he? Ah, yun, may isa rin doon, isa. Dito yung walrus eh. Nawala na yung walrus na malaki. Sleeping maybe. Laki, oh. It's really big. Oh, bye-bye. It's coming here. It's gonna be here, I think. Where are you now? Ah, no, it's not there.
Hiding?
Oh, hiding. Tara. May cabin dito. Ito yung view, guys. Ang ganda. Where is he? Ay, one inside.
Yeah,
It's okay. Let's go from here now. They're hiding now. Kasi hapon na. Harbor Seal. Ganda, guys, oh. Parang nasa ibang bansa. Nasa Canada na si Alona. Oh. Saan na tayo? Ayun na, B, oh. Ang laki, di ba? Sleeping. Ang laki ng ano. Tignan mo yung ngipin niya, yun, oh. Oh. Look at the tass, oh. Pinutol, be. Wow, 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 wow.
Laki ng katawan.
Laki.
Parang Sinalakat ako.
Malaya yun, lumalang yung isa. Ito, Bi. Wow, wow, wow. Jumbo. Really big. Laki, no? Grabe. Like mommy. Oh, look at that.
Ikaw
Okay.
yan, nagtulog. Well, nakita ko yung kotse niya.
Hindi na nakita last time, di ba?
Nakita ko baby mo.
Kasi tulog na sila. But now it's good. Finally, we're able to see them. Because it's bright. Ang ganda ng ano. Oh. Ito may yacht pa. Kasi yacht. So, so we're going to this small yacht. Makeshift yacht lang to. Pasok tayo. May ano pa siya, oh. Ready? Ready na? Kami? Run? Ano pa, oh? Oh. Pasok na tayo. We're going inside the yacht. Yan naman ko yung purse. Swimming now. Okay. Let's go up. Tayo sa taas. Ang view natin. Ganda nga ano, oh. Sea otters. Ayun, nakalutang. Ayun, oh.
Isa ang ulo niya.
Ayun, oh. Buntot.
Yung
Ulo.
isa, ang isa.
Yung put niya, yung ano yan, mukha niya yan.
Tinatago. Ay, nakaano siya. Taghaya.
Oo, ayun, oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Cute.
Wait, mami, tingnan mo.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Yeah.
Grabe, ang ganda dito, guys. Let's go, man. Let's go inside. Oh, there's a huge nest upstairs. What is that? No, it's a bird's nest. Dito tayo sa yacht. Pakita tayo. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Oh. Maganda mag-picture dito, Bi. Itong view natin. Ang ganda, di ba? Amazing. This place is amazing. Mamaya mag-picture tayo. Let's go up. Run. Oh, di ka makaano dyan. Ako na magdadrive ng yate. Ito na. Steering wheel. Oh, captain speaking. Control pa. Wow, nice. Wow, sino to? Anak mo na saan? Ayan guys.